Today we have a challenge because we are in a beautiful Vietnamese restaurant to get the two iconic dish of Vietnam. The first, the Banh Mi, the iconic sandwich, and second, the traditional pho. Of course, I need to dress this. We are in the kitchen.
Banh Mi and Pho are the soul of Vietnam cuisine. Two iconic dishes that carry the flavor, history, and romance of Vietnam to the world. It's the real essence of Vietnamese cuisine.
Banh Mi is our street food sandwich, super famous all around the world, coming from a French influence in the 19th century. Of course, in Vietnam, there was not French baguette, butter, pate. That was the French influence. After the Vietnamese attached it to their own flavor. That means pickled vegetable like dagon, carrots, lettuce. They modify the baguette in the Vietnamese version that include a little bit of rice flour. That is making soft, light, and crispy. Okay, chef, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Trang in the Vietnamese Pho Restaurant. So now today I show for you how can make bánh mì in the flavor in the Vietnam food.
Of course, the Vietnamese took the idea of the French baguette but make their own version. Inside, pure flavor. And the result is this amazing sandwich, light, crispy, and full of flavor. It's a very challenging kitchen, but look at that. We start with the beef. On the wok, $78 grams, 80 grams. 80 grams means the beef going for the wok. Wok is on fire. Some onion, lemongrass.
Yeah, lemongrass.
Lemongrass, onion, garlic, lemongrass. Wok ready, water in. Whoa. Clean the wok. Oil in.
The meat in the wok is just taking 30 seconds. 30 seconds of pure love. You close your eyes and it's done. Ready to build our Banh Mi sandwich.
There we go. I bring it to the lady. We go cold section. The chef is ready here. Big challenge today to do the Banh Mi in this kitchen. Of course, Vietnamese, they make it iconic. What it is, it's just a baguette filled with the flavored butter, melted butter, some vegetable, and beautiful wok meat. Smoky, juicy, fresh, unbelievable.
So now this is bánh mì. Now
We
so
do
you
a
need
live
you need cut.
Vietnamese bread.
Yeah, Vietnamese bread from Vietnam. So you need to remove something. In the bánh mì have the special, so have the city the pate. It can make with chicken and something butter. So the taste very good inside.
This is chicken butter.
Yeah, chicken make with butter and anything.
Combining the roasted chicken flavor with the butter give you this pate iconic flavor on the banh mi.
Salt butter, yes.
Soft butter.
Yeah.
The addition of melted butter give you the creaminess.
Yes.
Show the chef and show myself.
The heritage of the French cuisine.
So I can make the vegetable in the lettuce.
Fresh elements are cucumber, lettuce, coriander, and pickled vegetable like dagon and carrots. Really simple and quick preparation, but full of flavor.
And the meat.
A smokiness from the wok, the fresh element like onion, ginger, garlic, and the sesame seed.
So very good.
Look at it. Go in the oven.
Yes.
2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Thank you.
Vietnamese cuisine is more than food. It's about the people, the warmth of togetherness, and the beauty of simplicity. It's 3 minutes to experience an unforgettable burst of flavor.
Look at that. Vietnamese Pho, 4 different locations. We are in Arim Island. And this is not just a restaurant. It's people, it's family, it's tradition. It's comfort food, but even ancient techniques. With a lot of love and, of course, full of flavor. Welcome to Vietnamese Pho. I dress again my nets. Here we go for the soup. Pho, it's a combination of Vietnamese, French, and Chinese influence. Soft rice noodle, beef brisket, braised, slow cook, and sliced really thin. Fresh tenderloin, fresh spring onion, basil, and coriander that makes the difference. But of course, our broth. Very hot kitchen, very busy kitchen, but of course, we need to finish the iconic pho, the best. And this restaurant is Vietnamese Pho in Rim Island, Abu Dhabi, is the best on it. The broth is the secret. A good broth is the must. Secret recipe, of course, traditional flavor that start from the basic stuff. Is that beef bones from my road stewing for a long time, and it's a pain of our stock. 3 different stock, super secret recipe, the chicken broth, the beef broth, and the soup, iconic signature soup. Banh Mi and pho are not just a traditional Vietnamese dish, but are really well known all around the globe. Okay, the noodles.
We start with the noodle, light, soft, slightly chewy. Rice noodle, gently soaked in hot water for 30 seconds.
Beef brisket, braised, slow cook, and sliced really thin. Fresh tenderloin, fresh spring onion, basil, and coriander that makes the difference.
All brought together by an extraordinary aromatic broth. Pho is more than a dish, a quiet expression of Vietnamese culture, tradition, and soul passes lovely through generations. Banh Mi and pho are a celebration of ancient techniques and bold flavor that carry the romance of Vietnam in the world.
Okay, that's the combo, guys. Look at this, baby. Look at that. Banh Mi. Nice, juicy, super fresh. Made à la minute. The smokiness of the wok, the creaminess of the butter, the sesame seed, unbelievable. I just understand now why one of the most iconic sandwich in the world. And now, of course, we go for the pho, the combo, the one we was waiting till now that we prepare in the kitchen. Look at that, unbelievable. I will try myself. You see that? This beautiful beef. Flavor incredible. Nice, fresh, soft. We go for it. Impressed, guys. How fresh are the elements. How incredible is the preparation. The broth. The secret of the broth that will show you in the kitchen. That's the one, guys. Our location in Abu Dhabi, we visit Rim Island. And of course, I will put all the link in bio. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and